Welcome back to my session. Today I am going to tell about one of the important organizations relating to air cargo industry, FIATA. The full expansion of FIATA is International Federation of Freight Forwarders Association. The word FIATA derived from French title International des Association de Transiteurs et Assemblées. FIATA is the organization of National Forwarders Association, an individual forwarding firm throughout the world. FIATA was founded in Vienna in 1926 to deal with the problem arising from the expansion of international freight forwarding industry. The membership of FIATA extended to related enterprises such as custom, ship, consolidation, trucking, etc. So that's all about FIATA. If you like my video, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.